Welcome to this video exploring the history and circulation of the Cape Verdean Escudo, the official currency of Cape Verde. Before the Escudo, Cape Verde used the real. The Banco Nacional Ultramarino was responsible for issuing these early banknotes, such as this one from 1909. The Escudo officially replaced the real in 1914. By 1930, the government introduced the first local coins to support the new currency system, where 1,000 reis equaled 1 escudo. Following Cape Verde's independence in 1975, the nation issued new coins in 1977. Over time, inflation led to the removal of centavos from general circulation. The evolution of the coinage reflects significant economic changes. Modern coins have transitioned to stronger metals and now feature higher base values compared to the past. In 1994, the government implemented a complete revamp of the coinage. With this update, the 1 escudo coin became the smallest unit of the currency. The 1994 series also introduced designs that celebrate local biology, featuring imagery of native birds, reptiles, and various plant species found in the islands. This series further honored the nation's rich maritime history, with many coins displaying historical ships, accompanied by their names. Looking at paper money, the central bank issued a new banknote series in 2014, which pays tribute to notable local musicians, writers, and politicians. Cape Verde also produces rare commemorative coins that serve to mark important anniversaries and celebrate global partnerships. To maintain economic stability, the central bank pegs the escudo to the euro, with a fixed rate of 110.265 escudos per euro. In daily commerce, citizens frequently use 5 to 100 escudo coins. Conversely, the 1, 200, and 250 escudo coins are seen much less frequently. Ultimately, the Cape Verdean Escudo stands as a reflection of the nation's history, economic stability, and enduring cultural pride.